Hello great people, welcome back to our channel. A political meeting that was holding in Enugu West was visited by UGM, and you'll be shocked what they did to those who were political attendees in that meeting. You're going to see details of this in a jiffy. At the same time, some Southeast leaders, youth leaders, have sent a strong message to the federal government over the case of Nnamdi. And you know that Nnamdi was brought in far back, precisely I think in the month of June or so. Now he's been around and nothing very reasonable has happened, about him in the law court. They keep shifting the case, and you're going to hear their plea and what their demands are to the federal government as it has to do with Nnamdi Kanu and also the forthcoming election in Anambra State. We'll be giving you full details of these and also what Nigerians have to say about it. But before we do that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. Some UGM have attacked a gathering of politicians in Enugu West, threatening that no election would hold on any part of Biafra land. In a video that went viral on Sunday, the gunmen were seen shooting sporadically as those at the political gathering fled for their lives. A few men who could not escape at the time of the invasion were captured and asked to lie down in the mud. They were beaten and harassed amidst allegations that they were trying to bring back Fulani into Enugu West. In the 4 minutes 50 seconds video, it could be seen that vehicles and motorbikes were smashed by the UGM, who threatened to deal with anyone organizing a political gathering on Biafra land. According to them, they said, you want to bring Fulani into our place, we chase them away and you want to bring them back. What are you doing here? You are here for party politics like you do every 4 years. Which party? Don't you like how we chase away the Fulanis? Why do you want to bring them back? You want to bring problem into Enugu West again? We have asked you people to stop this party campaign you are doing on our land. You are all here for party campaign. You are the ones destroying Enugu West. Say thunder will fire you. Say yes, sir. Those were the demand of the UGM. When asked what should be their punishment if they try to organize another political gathering, one of them said that they should be taken out. We've stopped the campaign on Biafran land. We don't want anybody coming out for anything campaign. There will be no election in this country anymore. A background voice had said so. Meanwhile, in another development, some Igbo youth leaders have urged the federal government to ensure speedy trial of indigenous people of Biafra IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. The stakeholders requested that Kanu's prosecution be fair and in accordance with laid down laws. Their demand is contained in a communique issued in Enugu at the end of a convention on the security and stability of the region. In attendance with Association of Southeast Town Union, ASETU Youth Wing, Igbo Youth Wing, National Youth Council of Nigeria, Nigerian Youth Congress, and the National Association of Nigerian Student NANS. The gathering blamed the crisis in the Southeast on security architecture and insincerity of the political class. The communique urged Igbo youths to get involved in politics and policy making in their states. It urged them to register to vote and actively participate in the forthcoming Anambra State governorship election. The youth told the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to give a level playing ground to all parties. They backed the decision of Rivers and Lagos to collect value-added tax generated from their state and charged Southeast governors to support the move. On the farmer headers crisis, the organization opposed open grazing and commended governors and legislatures of Abia and Enugu for signing the bill into law. According to them, they say, we are calling on their counterpart in Anambra, Imo, and Ebonyi to expedite action in ensuring the anti-open grazing bill is passed and signed into law. Furthermore, we call on the federal government to exhibit similar dexterity shown in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case in other regions of the country. The communique was signed by Okorio Okechukwu, Ohaneze Igbo Youth, Tony Ejike, Nance, Anita Adaize, NYC, and Maxwell Ezelagu, NYC, Christian Afulake, Asetu Youth Wing, among others. Wow. Now you see that two similar things are happening. The first one has to do with, though we do not want to have anything like election in Biafra land, that's mostly in the southeast. And while another group of young people who are being represented by heads of different youth wing of different national organizations are saying that the people should turn out en masse and vote during the Anambra state election. The big question is, which way do the people follow? Because with all of this disagreement going on, the people seem not to know exactly what to do. And that is why there's so much intense fears, in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Now, these guys, they had the political meeting, and in attendance, they were being surprised by these UGM guys who invaded the place and show them that they are in charge. That's what I would say. The issue is becoming very, very unbearable considering the level of instability, and that's why we're always looking out for oneness, especially if there is a purpose or a dream one is pursuing. And, with what is ongoing right now, the possibility of the Southeast rolling out a presidential aspirant that will be accepted will be very difficult. You understand? Because the majority of the people are saying we do not want elections, we do not want anything like presidency, or what we want is Biafra. Then the political class are saying it's good enough. Let's see how we can roll out people, to kickstart electioning campaign and all of that. So you now realize that we are almost in between the red, blue sea and the devil. And this situation is becoming very, very worrisome. I don't know what will be done by the constituted authorities to see how they can reach a consensus with these people, because UGM, most of the time, another thing that is most notable is that oftentimes you will hear IPOP saying we do not have anything to do with these guys, but whatever they are doing, you still keep hearing them using that name Biafra. Though we all know that when we're talking about Biafra, it's not just a dream for IPOP, it's a dream for most of the Igbos. That's what they're agitating for. That's what they want, that self-determination for Biafra land. You understand? But then there's nothing anybody can do about it at this point until when there is a kind of a meeting where these things will be discussed and fully sorted out. But shockingly, the people who are possibly passing through so much mental torture, emotional torture, are those who are, just commoners who sometimes want to identify themselves with the instruction of the government, and they will have to meet with, the strong hands of these UGM. There have been a lot of reactions coming in about this, but however, with the situation of things on ground, I think that it will be difficult to arrive at a reasonable conclusion, because some parts are saying we want, while the others are saying we do not want. I want you to go to our comment section. Let us talk. What do you think about the situation in the southeastern part of Nigeria? Do you think that the majority should carry the vote, or the government should come in with referendum for these things to be corrected once and for all? Let's interact in our comments.